The United Kingdom Electronic Travel Authorization, ETA, is an advanced travel permission, required from foreign nationals who intend to visit or transit the United Kingdom without a visa. The system, as part of the Nationality and Borders Act 2022, operates using an online application whose information is checked against security databases. If the system does not find adverse information about the applicant, the travel authorization is granted automatically. Otherwise, the application is forwarded to an officer to decide whether to grant the authorization. The system is expected to provide a response within 3 working days. In this video, we will cover who can apply now, who can apply after the 27th of November 2024, who can apply after the 5th of March 2025, who does not need an ETA, what you can do with an ETA, what you cannot do with an ETA, how much it costs. Before you start, documentation. Apply for an ETA, how long it takes, and after you apply. You can apply now if you're a national of Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates. You must be a national of one of these countries and travel using a national passport. You cannot use other types of passports or travel documents. Who can apply from November 27, 2024? The following countries can apply. Who can apply from March 5, 2025? The following countries can apply. When does not need an ETA? You also do not need an ETA if you have any of these. A visa. Permission to live, work or study in the UK, including settled or pre-settled status under the EU settlement scheme. A British or Irish passport. A British Overseas Territories passport. You do not need an ETA if you live in Ireland and you're travelling from Ireland, Guernsey, Jersey or the Isle of Man. What you can do with an ETA. You can get an ETA instead of a visa if you're coming to the UK for up to 6 months for tourism, visiting family and friends, business or short-term study. Coming to the UK for up to 3 months on the Creative Worker Visa concession. Coming to the UK for a permitted paid engagement. Transiting through the UK, including if you're not going through UK border control. What you cannot do with an ETA. You cannot stay in the UK for longer than 6 months. Do paid or unpaid work for a UK company or as a self-employed person, unless you're doing a permitted paid engagement or event or work on the Creative Worker Visa concession. Claim public funds, benefits. Live in the UK through frequent or successive visits. Marry or register a civil partnership, or give notice of marriage or civil partnership. You'll need to apply for a marriage visitor visa. How much it costs. It costs £10 to apply. Everyone travelling needs to get an ETA, including babies and children. You can apply for other people. You cannot get a refund after you apply. Required documents to apply. You need the passport you'll travel with, not a photocopy. Access to your emails. A credit card, debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. You'll need to upload or take photos of the passport and face of the person applying. You do not need to enter your travel details. The fastest way to apply is by using the UK ETA app. You can also apply online. If you're applying for someone else who's not with you, you should apply online. How long it takes. You'll usually get a decision within 3 working days, but you may get a quicker decision. Occasionally, it may take longer than 3 working days. Group applications. Each person must apply separately. You may get a decision at a different time from someone else in your group, even if you applied at the same time. If you need to travel soon, you must apply for an ETA before you travel to the UK. You can travel to the UK while waiting for a decision. After your application, you'll get an email confirming you've got an ETA. We'll link it to the passport you applied with. Your ETA lasts for 2 years. You can travel to the UK as many times as you want during that time. If you get a new passport, you'll need to get a new ETA. You still need to see a border force officer to enter the UK. An ETA does not guarantee entry to the UK. If there is any question about ETA, you can ask about ETA if you need help. You can also watch videos on what an ETA is, how to apply for a UK ETA. Thank you for watching.